folks, we're over here at Sweetwater, get fueling up. Got a few boats getting ready to go out. Hi folks, we're over here at Sweetwater, get fueling up. Got a few boats getting ready to go out. Yes folks, duck season's over with, but look at the duck. Look at the duck, holy man. Alright folks, we got a guide fishing our spot. That's good, that's good, at least we know we're in the right spot. Alright folks, this is number 6, posting number 6. We got a guide, then took it over. That's it, fun's over with, but I beat him out here. So we'll see what happens. Get him, Will. Watch the catfish now, Will. Hey folks, we got another guide boat. Oh, we're doing good. My posts are working pretty good. Got 2 guide boats here, number 6, folks. Come join them. Whip you, Will. Don't let that catfish whip you, Will.
Don't let that catfish beat you, brother.
Oh, yeah.
Come on. Oh, you got a little puppy drum.
Puppy drum.
Just take your time and you pull him, man.
Whip him in. Hey, folks, 2 guide boats. My posts are working. My posts are working.
Yeah, oh, yeah.
3 guide boats. 3 guide boats, folks. Oh, the mackerel. What did I do? All right, folks, JV's on. JV's on. JV's got one, folks. JV's got one. Wow. Get him, JV. Just don't fight him. Just reel him in steady, baby. Just to keep reeling. Let's see what he is, Jay. Oh, there it is. Catfish. You know how to get him off? Oh, what you got, Will? That's it. That ain't no catfish. He's not pulling straight down, Will. Oh, there he goes. Don't horse him, Will. Don't horse him, Will.
What drum? What drum?
This you got a little puppy drum? Don't break my pole now. Grab the line, then pull him up. Don't jerk, just pull him in easy. Turn around so I can see your fish, bro. Oh, yeah. Measure him. You got to be 18 or 16, huh?
16.
16?
He's close.
Get him, Jamal! JV, I'm sorry, JV. No, I mispronounced his name, but once I mispronounce your name, I rename you, so I'm going to call him JV. That's his nickname. Let's see what you, let's see what you got. Hold your pole up high, man. Stand up. You got a nice fish there. Hold up. Don't reel all the way up now. Reel your pole up. Hold your pole up.
Oh, you might need a net.
That's all right. We got it. We got it. Just to see what it is.
Just stay firm.
Oh, Tom, I'll hold your pole up higher.
Yeah. Let him run a little bit.
Let him run. If he wants to run, let him run, Jamal. JV. How we call you, JV?
17 inch. Yeah. Which I see.
Oh, that's a nice fish, JV. Just hold him there, Jay. Don't let him get. Oh, look at the size of this one, Jay. Here you go, Will. Do your thing, Bo. That's a keeper. That's a keeper. Hold on. Don't try to pick him up. Let him get him with the net.
I need reeling a little bit. All right.
Ooh, measure him. Got to be 16. Big John's got one up front, folks. We're in number 6. Us and 3 guides. 1 over here and 2 back here.
Maybe I'll just kind of sit on you. You need a net?
We got a double here. JV's got one. My man's got one in the front up there. Get him, JV. Get him. Whoa. Whoa. Don't let him whip you, JV. Don't let him whip you. Come on.
All the same size. He's a good fish.
Uh-oh. All right, folks, if I keep JV from falling overboard, he might catch a fish here, man. I can't see you, JV. There you go. He's on him now. Oh, double, folks. 1 in the front, 1 in the back. Get the net up there, Will?
Yeah.
Might want the net. Just take 2 of them, Will. 1 to your front and 1 in your back. Yeah. He's got a catfish. We're not worried about him. Check out the one in front. Big Don's got one. Oh, JV's on a catfish bite. Oh, Willie's got one. All right, folks. JV's got him another one here. Woo! Eating them up. Eating them up. Come on, JV. Get him in. Hold your line up. What's the matter? Okay, that's all right. Had to stop filming that one, folks. JV broke my brand new Chinese reel here. We ain't buying no more of them anymore. JV's on one here. Oh yeah, keep him up there. Oh, it's a little puppy drum. No, whoa, 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 whoa. All right, folks. Species change. Species change. Got a croaker. All right, folks. Will's got him a drum. Will's got him a drum. You need a net?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Break the pole.
Net. We need a net. We need a net. Net up front. Woo! He's got one. Whoa! JV's got one. Uh-oh. Watch your poles. Watch your poles. What you got? You got a catfish?
Yes,
Uh-oh. What you got, Will?
A drum.
A drum? Okay, just leave him in the water for a second. Then you pull back this way. Back this way. Away from Willie.
Oh, wait.
Right, go,
I don't know what that is.
go get Willie. Go get Willie. You might need a net.
Wait, no. Get somebody else to do that. So I don't want you to knock it off.
Let him net it for him, man. He ain't gonna knock it off.
I don't know. I have bad luck because of lane.
You just shell shock. Just don't grab the line. Just don't grab the line.
I'm sorry.
Double header, folks. Double header. Big drum. Look at that back there, man. Brought one in. We got one over here right now. Whoa, big drum. Big drum.
Yeah.
Woo.
No. Oh.
Woo.
It's a good one. It's a good one.
Don't lose them. Don't lose them. Well, we need them. All right. Don't fight the reel. Let them run. JV's got one, folks. Woo! Hold them up. Hold your pole up, JV. Hold it up, JV. Hold it up. Right there. Just let it run. Oh, yeah, that's a nice one, Jay. What is that? Oh, yeah. Whoop. All right. Go flip your bill. JV, get him, Bo. Get him. Wow! 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 Ooh, double header, folks. Got one up here. We got one over here. Having fun. Having fun. It's spot number 6 at Delacroix. Check out my post. I know it's working because we got 2 guys over here, 1 guy over there, and another guy back there. So I know this is working. Oh, look at the size of this one. Don's hooked up on the bob. Wow! Wow! Wow!
Switching.
Folks, Willie got him on here. Wow! Wow!
No.
Wow! Oh no, puppy drum. Puppy drum. Grab the line, pull him in. There you go, Will. Good deal, good deal. Can't get my, turn around, Bubba. There you go, like that. There you go. Now I got your picture. Oh yeah, you got a big old hard head. JB putting some pressure on this man here. Wow! Wow! Oh, maybe not, maybe not. Wow! Little puppy drum. All right, we don't want to break the pole. They're action on the bow, folks. We're having fun. Oh, there's a double. There's a double. There's a triple. A triple. Wow. A triple. Oh, he lost his. Wow. Willie's got a catfish.
No.
Oh, puppy drum up front. I don't know what Willie's got. Better stand up, Will.
Stingray.
Stingray. Oh, we ain't had one of them in a while. JV's in the strike zone. Oh, another guide, folks. Another guide. 4 guide boots. Oh, man. Look, if you don't believe my post now, you ain't never going to believe it. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 over there. All right, folks. Bowman's got one. We put him on a diet there. He can't use as many shrimp. We want the young guys to catch the fish. What you got? Catfish?
Little drum.
Little puppy drum?
Yeah.
Woo! Woo! Little puppy drum.
Yeah, I'm just getting a little action out of
I
him.
don't know. He might be a keeper.
I think he is. Yeah.
Another stingray. Stingray. The way he was hitting. Oh, fish up front, folks. Fish up front. We're over here.
I got crap.
We're over here. Oh, you pull out that way.
Whack. I got whack.
You got whack, whack. Ow! This ain't no catfish. Oh, whoa. I don't like that one. Another stingray, folks. That's okay. That's all right. Caught him on the lure. He's on. Ow! Ow! Oh, little cat. Yep, hard head. Yeah, that's a hard head. Uh-oh. JB's on, folks. JB's on. Oh, yeah, a little puppy drum. Hold on, Jay. Oh, hold on. Over here, Jay. Bring him over here. Right over here. Right into the net. There you go. Ooh, yeah. Don't lose him. Don't lose him. Oh, there you go. All right, folks. Double header. Just put one in the box. We got 2 up coming in. Oh, what you got, Will? A little puppy drum? Puppy drum. Man up front might need some help. Man up front might need some help.
Need some help? No. I think it's okay. Same thing.
Spot number 6, folks. Spot number 6 on Team JoJo's map. Woo, I might make it. Oh, a double header, folks. A double header. Willie's got one. JV's got one. Oh, JV lost his trying to get up. Willie's got a cow. Oh, nice little drum, Will.
Got it.
We got a double header. Don got him a big old drum up there. Puppy drum. Willie's got a nice one. I think that's another stingray, Will, the way he's fighting.
Yeah.
I hope not. What is it, Will?
That's probably a stingray.
You need the net?
I don't know. It doesn't feel like this thing. But
Still fighting? It ain't no catfish. Not the way he's pulling. There you go, Will. Get it with the net. Wow, watch your pull.
Little drum. Little drum. He's got a little fight to him, a little dirty.
All right, folks. Willie's on another one here. No puppy drum. That's all right. Take the puppy drums. Bow man got one, folks. Bow man got one. It's like a drum. Oh, holy mac! Hold that pole up. Hold that pole up. Hold your pole up, JV. That's a nice one, Jay.
That's how you make friends with a boat.
Keep that pole up,
Yeah,
Jay.
you take Stanley's fish off. Oh man, that's how you get points, man. Good job.
JV's on him, folks. JV got one. Got a nice one. Hold him up, JV. Hold that pole up. Let him fight. Let him fight however he wants to fight, JV. Turn around, JV. Face me. There you go. Let him fight the way he wants to fight. He wants to run, let him run. Just hold that pole up. Right there. That's it. What you got? A drum? All right, hold on. We'll get him. Header, folks. Air action on the bow. JV's got one back here. Only one don't have one is Willie. Come on, Will. Get us a triple here, Will. Get us a triple, Will. Oh, man. Spot number 6. Team JoJo, spot number 6, folks. Check it out. All the drum you want, left and right, right and left. Oh, there's a big old puppy drum there. Another puppy drum there. We on them. We on them. Whoop. Willie's got one, folks. Oh, yeah, Will. What is it, Will? Oh. I don't know, Will. We got the fly fisherman in spot number 6, folks. Push poling over there on the shoreline. And just 1, 2 more boats down that way. Whew. Oh, action starboard, folks. Air action bow. Bow action. Dong, 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 dong. Oh, puppy drum. All right, David. I know you had a catfish. Round. Tell the way he was running. All right, folks. JV got one here. What we got, JV?
Stingray.
Oh, David, you and them stingrays, man. Holy mackerel. That's number 5. Huh? Okay. All right.
All right, that's good. Take a picture.